Okay guys, I am still working in zone 3, which is my kitchen, family room, and guest room and guest bath area, but I'm concentrating on the kitchen this week because and the family room because I want to get it cleaned up for fall so I can decorate. So yeah, it's got really messy in 2 days since the last video, so here we go. Before I can get started on my zone cleaning extras, which this week I am going to be working on, or today I'm going to be working on cleaning the upper and lower cabinets. Usually I do the upper or the lower, or even section them off even more than that because sometimes I don't have enough energy. I do have more energy now because I've been working on changing my diet and exercising more, and I am feeling better, but I still have limited energy, so well, you'll see what happens. Bang, bang like thunder. Listening to some Adele while I clean. Let me know what you like to listen to in the comments below. Now I'm going around the house seeing if there is any dishes anywhere else, and yeah, here's some in the craft room, and I believe there are some in the bedroom too. I am trying to run the dishwasher every day. Sometimes I don't run it because it's not full, and I just need to run it anyways. It just needs to be run because then dishes just pile up if I don't run it every day, even if it's not full. I'm trying to pull up these mats so I can clean them. I do that probably once a month. Otherwise, I just mop them, but they need a good cleaning. But this one is really hard to get off the floor. It is hubby's from his work when he used to work at the facility. Now he works from home, and it's one of those really industrial mats. He used it for his standing desk at his work. Anyway, it works really well and saves my back while I'm doing the dishes. I just threw them in the tub, and I will wash them later. You will see whether that happens or not. I am filling up my mop bucket, and I am putting a new mop head on it, and I am using the Thieves Cleaner. I am really liking it, especially for the mopping. We'll see if I use it for other things, and I am actually not mopping. I am cleaning the cabinets. Yes, you heard me. I am cleaning the cabinets with my mop. I accidentally spilled some water the other day in the laundry room, and it got all over the cupboards and all over the floor, and I'm like, let me just use the mop and clean it up real quick since I have it out. And I'm like, duh, why didn't I use this to clean the cabinets? No bending required, and getting up and down on the ladder. Oh my God, it worked really well. Let me know if you do this. What do you think, guys? Is that a smarter way to clean? Oh my gosh. I do see a spot there, and this is the dirtiest spot, so I might have to go back with a hand towel and do it, but I don't know. I think it's fine. And obviously I need to Windex that. So yeah. And also too, I mean, like up there it gets greasy and stuff, but doing it this way, I can do it more often. Because, like I said, I would only do the bottom cabinets, and then another time do another. Sometimes I would just do this, and another day do this, another day do yeah, break it up. I just did this. I don't even know how long that took me. I think that took me like 15 minutes, literally. And, yeah, a little coffee break, and then continue on. The kitchen is clean. I just need to mop it and change out the mop head. because I want to keep that one nice and clean to do the cupboards. I don't know why it makes a difference. But yeah, well, I'm not mopping it with the old mop head, but once I threw in the wash machine, I don't know, I just kind of like the bright white brand new one for to do the cupboards with. Okay, here it is, Monday already again, and I intended to do some more zone cleaning in the kitchen area and on Friday. Yeah, that never happened. Usually I do zone 1, Monday, zone 2, Wednesday, zone 3, Friday. Who am I kidding? I don't usually do anything. If you follow my channel, you know. But that is the plan. And I decided I wanted to go ahead and work a whole week in zone 3, especially since that's the main living area, and I wanted to do some decorating. So I'm going to continue on this week doing zone 3. But today I am doing the daily chores, and I will be doing a little decorating for you too. So stay tuned for that. So part of my 5 daily chores, and I don't always do all 5, is to straighten up the whole house or just the main areas. The laundry room is a little bit messy, so I'm going to straighten it up and put some things away. And I'm condensing all of these laundry detergents. I bought one of these 7th generation 1-dose squeeze bottles, and then I'm just using, it's highly concentrated, so you don't use as much, but I'm using my old laundry soap that I have not used up, and I'm trying to do that before buying some more and refilling it, because I watched a video and it says most people use way too much laundry soap, so I'm trying to use just a little, or like you only need to use a little. And sometimes I put essential oils in there and then vinegar in there instead of fabric softener. You can see I have a ton of laundry detergent. I was trying out some different ones. I'm not sure about these laundry pods. They don't dissolve well, but I don't know. I might have to break them open and cut them open and use them. I don't want to waste them before buying any new. I am wanting to try out those laundry sheets. Let me know in the comments below if you tried them out and whether you like them.
I don't know what I'd do without you. Without you.
I have some laundry going. That is one of my daily chores, but I'm gonna clean up this mess real quick. And also today I am only doing my daily chores like I said. The reason is because I went for a 10-mile bike ride this morning and I have to conserve my energy. Sometimes I will have the energy to go ahead and do zone cleaning and everything. Yep, monocle closet not done on the list. Anyway, so but today, yeah, I'm feeling a little tired, so just the daily chores will get done. And yeah, that needs to be decluttered too, so, but the garage got done a little bit. At least there's that. Okay, a lot of you have asked in the past about this rolling cart laundry basket, and I couldn't find it online anywhere. I've had it for years. I think I got it at Walmart, but recently I went to Walmart and they have them. You guys need to go check it out. They also have them in pink and gray, and then the white like I have. I really love my rolling cart laundry basket.
I was down until you saved me, until you set me free. My eyes were closed, now I see clear as day, and I just wanted to say that you can take me high. Feels like I can fly. You can take me high. I can see the sun.
I don't always make the bed every day. In fact, I don't always make it when I first wake up either. Lots of time hubby works in the bedroom. He just likes hanging out in there, and he is on his lunch break. He is in his office, man cave, taking a little break, eating lunch, and then I decided to go ahead and quickly make the bed while he was doing that, and then shortly he comes back in and messes it up again.
You can take me high. Feels like I can fly. I don't need anybody, I don't need anybody else. will ever take me, no one will ever take me away from you. I promise I will.
Okay, the rest of the kitchen needs cleaned up, but first I need to take a little break and eat something. It is lunchtime, and I am going to have some leftovers, some orange chipotle chicken. I made it in a video recently, and if you would like the recipe, I will put it in the description below. I am watching my friend Karen at This Manor's Mom, and she is also doing a cleaning video today, so you might want to go over and watch her too. Hey guys, sometimes when I have a really messy kitchen, it is overwhelming to me, and it's not too bad today, but last week the video, it was pretty bad. So I started doing the kitchen in sections. So I'll do the part of the counter by the dishwasher, and then I'll move to the other side of the sink, and then I'll do the other half of the kitchen on the other side by the refrigerator and break it up in little pieces and take a break in between, and then it doesn't seem so overwhelming. Overwhelming? Talk about overwhelming. Oh my god, did you see that mess under that kitchen sink? So I will be decluttering this week, and yeah, I will be posting that video on Thursday, and Karen at This Manor's Mom will also be joining me for that, and this week Dee from D Lovely Life will be joining me. All three of us will be posting videos on Thursdays, decluttering videos. Maybe not all of us, maybe just two of us or one of us, but one of us will be posting every Thursday, so you want to stay tuned for that. And yes, my kitchen desk is still a mess. Hopefully that will happen next video. I was going to do that in this video, but I decided to go ahead and decorate the breakfast table instead, because I can. I really was unsure of what I was going to do here, because I had got a new table runner a couple months ago, and it just looks a little bit different than I did last year. And I'm kind of not remembering what I did here last year. But also, too, I have not yet taken out any of my bins out of the garage because that section of the garage needs cleaned up. I can't get to them, actually. Hubby needs to do something with his things. So I did straighten it up a little bit, but I can't get to the bins yet. And I'm kind of just doing a soft fall decorating. So I have a few things that I have in my hutch and stored around the house. for fall, and I'm just making do with that. Like my tea set, which I changed my mind here and decided to take my tea set out and use that. That is stored up in my baking station cabinet where the kitchen desk is, so I was able to get that down and use that instead. Okay, this is what I came up with, and I like it. It's pretty cute. My tea set here I got from Hobby Lobby years ago, and for some reason I only have 3 mugs. I'm not really sure why. I think I bought 2 mugs one year, and the next year I bought 1 mug because that's all they have left. I don't think they have it anymore. I end up just using 2 mugs for the display. What are you gonna do? It is what it is, and I have the matching plates. I think they're really cute. I was just gonna go with the white and the green, but again, all the white pumpkins are in the garage. So I'm taking a break here and editing this video for you and listening to some quiet music on the 4K channel. I'll put the link down below with some nice fall scenery. If you like this video, I'd love for you to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment below. And if you're new to my channel, you might want to subscribe, because next week I will be posting another fall clean and decorate with me video. Until next time, enjoy your day.